Hello team, today Show Me Chef's going to show you how to make blueberry compote.
Show me, chef.
Show me the chef.
Show me,
Show me.
chef.
Show me.
Chef. Show me,
The chef. Show me.
chef.
For the production of blueberry compote, you're going to need some equipment. Okay, the equipment is a small saucepan, fine sieve, small glass bowl, third cup measure, and also a half cup measure, a wooden spoon to stir it with, and a small measuring jug. Further to the equipment, you're going to need some ingredients. 3 simple ingredients: caster sugar, third of a cup, a half a cup of frozen blueberries, and 100 mils of water. The first step in the production of this blueberry compote is to make a sugar syrup. So in the small saucepan goes 100 mils of water, a third of a cup of caster sugar. I'm going to put that on a medium heat and dissolve the sugar and reduce that. Previous video, I identified fast, rapid boil, all right? We want to reduce that and make those bubbles slow up. That identifies that it's ready for the addition of the blueberries. Okay, now that the bubbles are slowed, that sugar syrup is showing me that it's ready for the addition of the berries. Now be mindful that using frozen berries, they contain or hold a lot more moisture. So there's going to be 2 cookery processes here. Plunging these berries into that hot syrup, straining them, and then reducing the syrup again without the berries. Okay, those berries are gone in, and that syrup's just come to the simmer. I'm going to strain those. As I said, it's a 2-phase cookery process. That sugar syrup now will be too thin, so I'll have to go back on and reduce again. Okay, because we've got such a small volume, that's not going to take long at all. Keep your eye on it, turn the heat down, you only want a low heat. Now I've given that 2 minutes and it's ready, alright? So straight on top of my blueberries. There you go team, simply blueberry compote.